Here we go.
Everyone good? Alright, ready? A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. It's a book about you and me. It's about what it might look like to bring healing to us, to our generation. It comes out October 1st. Woohoo! And if you pre-order it from joshreebok.com before October 1st, we'll send you a second copy for free. What do you know? But you can't keep the free copy for yourself. Okay, guys, it's a joke. You have to give it away to someone that has impacted you, to someone that has changed your life. This is Eric. Say hi, Eric. Hey, Eric. He's getting my free copy. Go get yours.